dude. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah.
Hey everybody. Today I will be cleaning my room because it is, how do I put this? It looks like a tornado flew around my room. Anyways, let's get to cleaning. Look how disgusting that is. That is literally so not organized. Okay, anyways, we're not gonna be starting with that. I will first be starting off by cleaning off my bed. I can only sleep on one half of my bed because the other half is taken up by water bottles. I already made a dent by filling up this whole thing.
Hey, since when are you making like hour-long videos? I didn't know this was a thing now.
I'm just gonna put you in a time lapse because I have a lot of water bottles to go through. Alexa, pause. I'm back. And let's just say I filled up almost this whole thing. I basically mixed the not full water bottles all together so they would create full water bottles. And let's just say there's a lot of water bottles. I'll see you when I move on to something other than my bed. Bye. I'll see you in literally 0.2 seconds. Welcome back. I have finished cleaning the water bottles and garbage off my bed. I had some clothes on my bed, and I have some clothes right there, and I have some clothes right there, and I have some clothes on my floor. That is our next plan of attack. I'm probably just gonna hang up the clothes that I have on these surfaces, and then I will get to cleaning up the clothes on my floor because you can't really see it, but literally right here there is a big pile of clothes that I have worn for 0.2 seconds and decided I did not want to wear it, and I just threw. Hi. It is the next day. Low-key didn't pick up all my clothes, but I'm really close. So we're just gonna forget about the clothes for a while. I'm gonna clean off my end table, which is right there. And we're gonna clean out that and organize that thing. That is today. And I'm gonna get it done. Not gonna procrastinate, and I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna start out with my end table, go to that. Welcome to my end table. This does not belong here. There's just a lot of trash on here. And ponytails. Why do I have M&Ms on here? Okay, I'm gonna switch you to a time lapse because this is mainly literally just trash. Okay, I just showed. There's trash. Don't know what that was, but I'm just gonna go to a time lapse because most of this is trash or it belongs somewhere else.
I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's...
It's looking a little dirty, so I'm gonna go grab something to wipe it off, clean it with. Yeah. Okay, now that that's done, we're supposed to move to the 6 cube. Let me just pan you over to this big mess right here. We're gonna clean out this cube first. I'm gonna keep these. I just don't know where to put them. Rubber bands. Don't need them anymore. This is to blow up my yoga ball. I don't even use my yoga ball, but we'll keep it just in case it deflates, I guess. This is actually my med cube. I have many problems, if you can't tell. And there is now my med one. There's my med cube. Next, candles and hand sanitizer. On this cube, I'm gonna put candles, hand sanitizer, gum, all that jazz. The candles that I have, leaves. I have 2 of the single wick peach Bellini, a stress relief candle, spicy cinnamon stick, twisted peppermint. I burned it during Christmas time. So let me show you my hand sanitizer collection. Stress relief, pumpkin apple, another stress relief, cucumber melon, and raspberry tangerine. These 2 bottom ones really have no use right now for them. I really don't really have use for this cube either. Moving on to this cube. This is like makeup, perfume, jewelry kind of thing. I'm gonna organize this really quickly and I'll be right back, then I can put it back in the cube. Okay, so this is all done. I usually just put my makeup bag right here next to it. Next is this cube. I have no idea what's going on with it. I have scent jar, piggy bank, whatever you want to call it. This, I don't know. Glitter, a cube, and some pottery. This is definitely not a good angle. Snowboarding goggles go to the bottom. Pistachios going down. This lanyard is going on the bottom. Yoga band from physical therapy, June of 2020. Garbage. Bam. I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys. I'm filming the end of this video like a month later because my motivation went after I filmed that. I don't know what you saw, but it's all like everything's clean now. I'm gonna vacuum and I'm gonna Swiffer and then I'll get my mom's reaction. I'm using this vacuum, this handheld one. And I'm done! After literally a month. I'll film my mom's reaction. Okay, see you guys. Bye.
Just spend some time here. Oh, look at this! Good job! I don't think I've seen it like this since we moved in. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Oh, follow my socials. @ official Kiley Lynn.
That's it.
That's it.
No, you're supposed to give me a high five.
Oh. And that's a wrap. Click.